Welcome back to Bet Ya Didn't Know TV. Beneath the serene waters of the Bahamas is a world far removed from ours, a place where the laws of the land give way to the rhythms of the sea. This is a realm of vibrant colors and fascinating creatures, a place where every rock, every coral formation tells a story. Today we're going to introduce you to one of its most iconic inhabitants, the Queen Conch. The Queen Conch, or Strombus gigas if we're being formal, is a marine snail that has called these waters home for millennia. They're not your typical snail, though. This queen of the sea boasts a spiral shell that's a marvel of natural architecture, a stunning blend of form and function. Each swirl, each ridge, is a testament to the conch's journey through life, a unique biography written in calcium carbonate. But these shells aren't just beautiful, they're also deeply ingrained in the culture and history of the Bahamas. For centuries, Bahamians have used conch shells as musical instruments, their haunting melodies echoing across the islands. Even today, the sound of a conch horn can signal the start of a celebration or mark the changing of the tides. The Queen Conch isn't just a pretty shell, though. Beneath that elegant exterior lies a creature of surprising complexity. Equipped with two tentacle-like eyes and a sturdy foot, the conch navigates its underwater world with grace and determination, scraping algae off rocks and scouring the seafloor for tasty detritus. And let's not forget about the conch's contribution to the local cuisine. Conch salad, conch fritters, cracked conch. These are just a few of the delectable dishes that have put Bahamian cuisine on the global food map. So the next time you find yourself gazing at the azure waters of the Bahamas, spare a thought for the Queen Conch. These marine snails, with their beautiful shells, add a unique rhythm to the underwater symphony. After all, they're not just inhabitants of this underwater wonderland, they're the keepers of its history and the purveyors of its future. From the enchanting depths we ascend to the sky, where does the real beauty of the Bahamas lie? We are about to discover the avian wonders that adorn the Bahamian skies, adding a dash of vibrant color and a symphony of delightful sounds to the tropical paradise. Let's begin with the national bird of the Bahamas, the Bahamas parrot. With a magnificent display of green, blue, and a hint of pink on their plumage, these parrots are the living embodiment of the colorful spirit of the islands. And it's not just their looks that are captivating. These parrots are known for their playful antics and their ability to mimic human speech, making them the charming pranksters of the Bahamian skies. But the bird life of the Bahamas isn't just about the parrots. Meet the Bahama woodstar, a species of hummingbird that brings a whole new level of beauty to the islands. This tiny bird, with its iridescent feathers that shimmer in the sunlight, flits among the flowers with such grace and speed that it seems almost ethereal. A sight of a Bahama woodstar hovering in the air, its wings a blur of motion, is nothing short of magical. These birds not only add beauty to the Bahamas, but also play a crucial role in the ecosystem. The parrots help in seed dispersal, contributing to the growth of the tropical forests, while the hummingbirds are vital pollinators, aiding in the propagation of flowers. But it's not just about what these birds do for the ecosystem. It's about what they represent, the joy, the vibrancy, and the life that thrives in the Bahamas. When you hear the parrot's playful squawk, or catch a glimpse of the hummingbird's iridescent beauty, you are witnessing the soul of the islands. So, next time you find yourself in the Bahamas, look up. You might just spot a parrot soaring high or a hummingbird darting amongst the flowers. These feathery wonders truly paint the Bahamian skies with their vibrant colors and joyful spirits. Venturing into the shallow waters, do you know there's a nurse awaiting? As we wade further into the crystal-clear shallows of the Bahamas, we encounter an intriguing denizen of the deep, the nurse shark. This fascinating creature, with its elongated body and rounded head, is a marvel of marine life that often goes unnoticed due to its unassuming nature. Despite its somewhat intimidating appearance, the nurse shark is notably docile and poses little to no threat to humans. Unlike its more aggressive cousins, the nurse shark is a peaceful creature, spending much of its time lazily cruising along the sandy seabed in search of its next meal. This gentle giant of the sea is a bottom dweller, preferring the calm and tranquility of the ocean floor to the tumultuous surface waters. The nurse shark's diet primarily consists of small fish, squid, and crustaceans, making it an essential part of the ocean's ecosystem by controlling the population of these species. In the Bahamas, locals and tourists alike enjoy the unique opportunity to interact with these incredible creatures in their natural habitat. Snorkelers often share the shallows with these docile sharks, observing their daily routines at a respectful distance. The relationship between the nurse shark and humans is a prime example of the harmonious coexistence that is possible between man and nature when respect and understanding are fostered. The locals have long understood the importance of these creatures to their ecosystem and have made concerted efforts to ensure their survival and well-being. In a world where the balance between man and nature often seems to teeter on the brink, the nurse shark serves as a beacon of hope. It's a reminder that with understanding, respect, and a little bit of patience, humans and wildlife can coexist peacefully, each playing their part in the grand scheme of the natural world. These gentle giants of the shallows are a testament to the harmonious coexistence of man and nature in the Bahamas. As we leave the shallows and their resident nurses behind, we can't help but feel a sense of awe at the delicate balance of life that exists beneath the waves. Amidst all this natural beauty, have you ever pondered about the efforts to conserve this paradise? Behind the scenes, there's a chorus of unsung heroes working tirelessly to ensure these unique species and their habitats continue to flourish. In the Bahamas, the conservation of its wildlife and natural resources is not just an afterthought, but a fundamental aspect of its ethos. The islands are dotted with marine reserves, serving as sanctuaries for the fragile marine life that calls these waters home. These reserves are more than just protected areas. They are hotbeds of scientific research, helping us understand and protect the delicate balance of life beneath the waves. But the conservation efforts don't stop at the water's edge. On land, sustainable tourism practices are being adopted to ensure visitors can enjoy the island's natural wonders without causing harm. This includes everything from promoting eco-friendly accommodations and transportation options to educating visitors about the importance of leaving no trace. The conservation of wildlife is also a community effort in the Bahamas. Local communities are actively engaged in protecting their natural heritage, whether it's through participating in beach cleanups, reporting wildlife sightings, or supporting local conservation organizations. These community-led efforts are crucial in safeguarding the island's biodiversity. In the face of growing environmental challenges, the Bahamas is also pioneering innovative conservation strategies. From restoring coral reefs using 3D printing technology to using drones for wildlife monitoring, the islands are embracing the power of technology to protect their natural treasures. These conservation efforts are not just about preserving the Bahamas' natural beauty for us to enjoy. They're about ensuring these unique ecosystems and the species they support can continue to thrive long into the future. They're about maintaining the intricate balance of life that makes these islands such a paradise. The conservation efforts in the Bahamas are a beacon of hope, ensuring the longevity of its rich biodiversity for generations to come.